System errors causing the qtcore4.dll crashes in Qt Framework? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we start the qtcore4 configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the qtcore4, the foundational non-graphical library for the legacy Qt4 framework. It manages signals and slots and memory loops for thousands of apps from the Windows 7 era. Missing this DLL is a primary cause of startup failure in older productivity tools and specialized game launchers. Its absence prevents the app from constructing its primary object tree. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. It's important to note that qtcore4.dll is installed as part of Qt Framework and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt Framework from the official source will restore the correct version of qtcore4 to your PC. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qtcore4, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of qtcore4.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for qtcore4. If qtcore4 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.